Only on 6 now, UCF racking up court costs to stop you from seeing how millions in taxpayer dollars are being spent. The university says it is not hiding anything, but rather just following the law. Investigator Mike Holfeld reports.
The only way FERPA applies is if they are education records.
News 6 has learned UCF's top brass has approved spending nearly $250,000 in taxpayer money in a court fight to block UCF campus news source Night News access.
And I'm going to vote that it does not have merit.
To the names of student Senate members and how they vote to spend $18.6 million in taxpayer money. Your money. UCF Communications Chief Grant Heston.
Well, state and federal laws prohibit the release of certain types of information. So if a federal law says we cannot release it, we're not going to break the law to release it.
But wait. News 6 found the Family Education Rights and Privacy Act, FERPA, protects the privacy of student education records, not a student's government voting record. Veteran media attorney Rachel Fugate.
And if these students are in a governing capacity determining where taxpayer money is going, there's nothing private or personal about that.
But Heston tells News 6 a compromise is already in the works.
But let me tell you, student government is working on ways that they might be able to be more accessible and transparent on their own. The administration would support that.
News 6 has obtained a settlement offer issued by Night News within the last 24 hours. It calls for complete transparency in student government. Sources tell us the university's attorneys are still reviewing it.
The UCF saga continues next week, another case, the fourth in this. UCF continues to stand by this. They're playing it by the book. Even though the appellate court has already ruled student government action is not protected under the law. The fight continues. From the newsroom, Mike Holfeld, News 6.